Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is triangles. In earlier classes, you have studied about triangles, types of triangles, properties of triangles, and condition of congruency of triangles. In class 10, in triangles, you will study more theorems related to triangles, and also will learn about condition of similar triangles. Today I shall discuss about BPT or Thales theorem. BPT, basic proportionality theorem, or Thales theorem. Thales was a great mathematician who proved this theorem. So this is called Thales theorem. And what is Thales theorem or BPT theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the BPT or Thales theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, intersect the other two sides in distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Now, theorem is proved. As you know, theorem is proved in the four steps. First step is given, second is to prove, third is construction if required, and fourth is proof. So first of all, we write given. In given, what is given? A triangle is given. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which a line DE is parallel to BC, intersect AB at point D and AC at point E. So write this: ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which DE, let ABC is a triangle, and DE is parallel to BC. DE intersects AB and AC at points D and E respectively. To prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Other two sides mean the sides AB and AC. D divides AB into two parts, AD and DB, and D divides AC in the two parts, AE and AC. So the ratio of AD by DB is equal to the ratio of AE by EC. So to prove that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now construction. Draw join BE and CD. Join BE and CD, and draw EN. Draw EM perpendicular on AB and DM perpendicular on perpendicular on AC. This is the construction. Here we draw the perpendicular EM and EN. Now proof. Proof. In triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE is equal to, area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So here is 1 by 2 into base. EN is perpendicular on AD, either AB. So base is AD. 1 by 2 into AD into perpendicular distance, that is height. So EM. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Now area of triangle and area of triangle DEB. Area of triangle DEB is an obtuse angle triangle. So this is the perpendicular is EM and base is BD. So 1 by 2 into DB into height EM. We have to find the ratio, so we divide. Therefore, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEB is equal to 1 by 2 into AD into EM by 1 by 2 into DB into EM. Now EM is cancelled and this cancelled. 1 by 2 is divided by 1 by 2. Therefore AD upon DB, and this is the equation number 1. Now similarly in triangle, now area of triangle again ADE, but now this time perpendicular is DN. So area of triangle ADE is equal to 1 by 2 and now base is AE and into height is DN. So here we write DN. And area of triangle EDC is equal to 1 by 2 into EC, base is EC into height is again DN. Now therefore dividing this, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle EDC is equal to 1 by 2 into AE into DN by 1 by 2 into EC into DN. Now this and this is cancelled and this is cancelled. So this is equal to AE upon EC. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle EDC is equal to AE by AC, and this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Now triangles DEB and triangle EDC are on the same base. Now triangles DEB and EDC are on the same base DE and between the same parallel lines. and between the same parallel lines DE and BC. Therefore, area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle EDC. And this is equation number 3. Here is what? Here is area of triangle ADE. Y is area of triangle DEB. Now this is the equation 1, and this is the equation 2, and this is the equation 3. So DEB is replaced by EDC. Either area of triangle EDC is replaced by DEB. So from equation, if this is replaced by EDC, then this and this will be equal. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, we get what? We get left sides are equal, then right sides will be also equal. So this is equal to what? From 1 and 2 we get AB upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, and this is the BPT theorem proved. Now again, see again, ABC is a triangle in which D is parallel to BC, intersect AB at point D and AC at point E. We have to prove that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now construction. Draw EM perpendicular on AB and DN perpendicular on AC. Now and join BE and CB. Now proof. In triangle ADE, EM is perpendicular on AD. Therefore, area of triangle ADE is equal to 1 by 2 into AD into EM. And area of triangle DEB, either DEB. EM is again perpendicular and DB is the base. So this is equal to what? Area of triangle DEB is equal to 1 by 2 into DB into EM. And dividing this and this cancel. So AD upon DB. Similarly, in triangle ADE and DEC, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle EDC, 1 by 2 into AE into height is DN, and area of triangle DEC by 1 by 2 into EC into what? Into DM. And now this and this is cancelled, this and this is cancelled. So AB upon DB and AE upon EC. Now triangles BDE, either DEB and EDC are on the same base D and same parallel line BC. So D is parallel to and D is parallel to BC. Therefore DEB and EDC are equal in area. Triangles on the same base between the same parallel lines are equal in area. Therefore, area of triangle DEB and EDC are equal. Now from the equation 1 and 2 and 3 we get AB upon AD is equal to AE upon AC. Proof. And this is very important theorem, and you have to remember the theorem because you have to ask state and prove Pythagoras theorem as BPT theorem or Thales theorem. Thank you.